Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this fluffy ping-pong flower. This flower appeared a lot in my bouquet. It works perfect as the filler flower to add texture and color to our bouquet. If you're new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every week. Please subscribe and turn notification. Don't forget to tag me on Insta when finished. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. Firstly, we will do our fluffy part here. Actually, we don't need to crochet, so we just found a piece of yarn. We wrap around our 4 fingers for 80 rounds. Here we have 80, we will cut off the yarn. We will then find another piece of yarn around 40 centimeters long to tie some knots here. Then we move to the other side and continue to make 2 more knots. Before moving on, we need to add a piece of craftware here, about 20 centimeters long. And we continue to tie some more knots. Here we need to wrap our yarn around for several times. And we continue to tie some more knots here. In this way, our yarn ball will be super tight. Here we also wrap our craftware around the yarn ball and twist to fix. From here, we will cut the yarn and do the trimming. The final result will look like this. So here we cut off every piece of yarn. And we trim it to a round shape. This part do takes time, so be patient here. Now we need a comb to make the yarn ball more fluffy. And then we do the final trimming. So this is our flower part. In this part, we'll do the leaf. So we find green yarn and start with a slip knot. Do not count this slip knot as a stitch. We do 15 chains from here. 1, 2. You can now pause here to do 15. Here we got 15 chains. We'll then find the second stitch from the hook and insert the hook. Now we stop here to add our craftware to support our leaf. Then we do 1 single crochet in each space and we do 13 single crochet. By finishing 13, you will have 1 stitch left. Here we finished 13 and we got 1 stitch left. In this last 1 stitch, we do 3 single crochet. Here we finished 3 and we move to the other side. In the other side, we will do the same thing. So we still do 1 single crochet in each space and we do 13 single crochet. While moving on, we can head the tail. Here we come to the end. We still do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. And we chain 1 as a turning chain to start round 2. Do not count this chain as a stitch. And round 2, still in the current space, we do 1 single crochet. Now in the next space, another single crochet. Then 2 chains. So that's a pattern. Now we repeat. In next space, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then 2 chains. So that's the pattern of round 2. We will repeat this pattern until we reach the top stitch of our leaf. Here we come to the top stitch of our leaf. We will finish the pattern on the screen in this 1 stitch. So we first do 1 single crochet, and then 2 chains. Now we find the second back bump from the hook and do a slip stitch. Now another single crochet still in the current space. So this is the tip of the leaf. From the next stitch, we repeat the same pattern on the screen to finish this side. So this is our leaf. You can pause here until you come to the end. Here we come to the end. We still do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round, and chain 1 to secure the end. Finally, we wrap the yarn and fix the end. For each bunch of flower, we need 1 flower and 1 leaf. Of course, you can do any way you like. Finally, we assemble everything. Done!